Hey guys, it's Cynthia and we are out in nature. As you can see, I'm here underneath our Japanese red maple tree. It's a little windy today, so I hope you can hear me okay. So today we are inspired by blueberries. We are in zone 7A, 7B, and over the last couple of days we've had 30s, 20s, 70s. Last week we actually had a frost advisory. So I wanted to prune the blueberries with you guys, but because the weather has been so up and down, I wanted to hold off until in the next week or so. I normally try to get it done in April, but we won't get it done in time, which is fine. We'll get it done when the weather's a little bit more stable. But I just wanted to let you guys know that today we were inspired by blueberries. So we're actually going to go inside and make blueberry popsicles, 3 healthy and delicious ways. So I'm so excited to take you guys inside while we work on blueberries until we're able to prune the actual blueberry. So, all right, let's get started. So here we are for our garden inspired project today. Here is the blender. You can use any blender that you have. These are the attachments, and this is if we have any extra from making the popsicles. I'll just have it as a smoothie. We have coconut water. We have regular water. We have the juice of some pineapples in this jar here that we'll be using. So you can use fresh or frozen fruit. I had fresh fruit and I froze them just before they were about to go bad, but these were fresh and so were the strawberries. But you can use fresh or frozen. It's totally up to you. And then we have the fresh blueberries here. And our project today is blueberry popsicles, 3 healthy and delicious ways. So I have the molds here. I have the little sticks that go in the molds, and this actually helps to pour it in if you need a little help. Those are the things that we will need today. The first thing that I want to start with is the fresh blueberries, and I will use them in 2 different ones here. There will be 2 with the coconut water, 2 with the pineapple juice, and then there will be 2 smoothie-like blueberries. So all healthy, all delicious, and I'm so excited. All right, so let's start off. I just like to put the blueberries inside. Let me just show you. Just put them inside. You can smash them if you like. I like the whole blueberry. Lots of blueberries, as you can see. And we have here the same thing. Just putting the blueberries in the mold. And I'll do the same thing here because these will be 2 and 2. I'm not sure if you saw the project on Monday, but I've added a second video each week, a garden inspired DIY type of video. So that's what I'm inspired to do on Mondays now. We'll still have the regular Wednesday content out in the garden and working with flowers, but on Mondays we will have the garden inspired DIY projects. Fun, kid-friendly, and cost-effective. So here we are. We have those cells there. And in the first one, I actually want to pour some of the pineapple juice in there. So that's going to give it a totally different taste. Perfect. The second mold, we will do the same thing. Pineapples are good for you. You can use regular pineapple juice. You can also use fresh pineapple juice if you have it. I always just use what I have. And for the second one, I actually want to use the coconut water. And if you don't like coconut water, just use regular water. This one will be the coconut water. Give you a totally different taste than the pineapples. Perfect. That looks really nice. Okay, now we will take this here and we will put in some of the blueberries, the frozen blueberries. I always say, instead of letting your blueberries or your fruit go to waste, even if it's bananas, you can always freeze it and use it in a smoothie or somewhere else. Now we will put the frozen strawberries in. I think I will put in 3. I think I'll put in those 3 and save the other 2. Okay, and I'm actually going to use regular water on this one. You could still use coconut water if you want it, but I just didn't want the coconut water to overpower the taste of the fruit. I just wanted to taste the fruit because they're 2 different fruits, whereas though this is just one fruit, it's a totally different taste with just the fruit and the water. So let's close this up. Okay, we plug that up. Okay, great. And a little bit more water. I don't want it to be watered down, but I want it to be a nice thick consistency. There we go. Beautiful. That looks so pretty. I love that color. Blueberries and strawberries. Oh, I just remembered I have some blackberries. 1 second. I'll throw a couple of these in. Just wash them off. Just throw a couple in. Whatever you have, just use what you have. Perfect. I will actually freeze those today as well. So now we just add a 3rd fruit into our smoothie. Yum. That's delicious. Okay. So let's blend it with the blackberry. So we have blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries. Wow. Okay. So like I was saying earlier, hopefully in the next 2 weeks, I will be able to prune the blueberry bushes that we have. Hold on. A blueberry fell in here. Okay. So we have the pineapple, we have the coconut water, and now we have the 3-berry popsicle. Yum. If I had a banana, I would probably throw that in too. There we go. I love the consistency. Okay. Remainder of the smoothie here. Let's just slide it to the side. And now we have this. Wow. So beautiful. Like I said, you can always, if you want to, you can break them up or however you want to do. I normally just like to go in, and I like when I eat the ice cream, the berries are still whole. Sometimes you have to just wiggle it around to make sure you get it into the cell. Perfect. And this is the one that has the coconut water in the middle. Oh my, yum. Look at that. Wow. Okay, beautiful. And it's quick and easy. So each Monday, be looking out for another project. Okay, there we go. So we're going to pop these in the freezer. I'll be right back. Okay, I actually want to do a quick smoothie with what's left, and I can have that for later. Chia seeds. And a protein powder. I think I'll do about that's perfect. Okay, so we'll put that there. Take this. Okay, let me put that to the side. So instead of using this, I will use a mason jar and a glass straw. Let's do that. Pour that in. Perfect. Okay, so I am going to enjoy my lunch, and then I'll come back in a little bit when the popsicles are ready. All right? Delicious. Okay, so we're here with our popsicles. They look great. Some overran a little bit. Let's check them out. I just pushed them from the bottom and pushed them up. This one is the blueberry with the pineapple. Yum. This one is the, yo, that looks so good. Oh, wow, that looks good. That is the blueberry with the coconut water. And this one is our smoothie. Wow, they look amazing. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait for you guys to try this. If you try it, please leave me a comment and let me know which one you like better. The one with the 3 berries, blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, the coconut water and blueberries, or the pineapple and blueberry popsicle. Quick and easy, healthy and delicious popsicles, 3 ways. Wow. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. And I will see you on Wednesday for our regular content, but I will also see you on Monday for our garden-inspired DIY projects. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.